Courtrooms across the country are hearing challenges to President Trump and Elon Musk's efforts to shrink the federal government. White House correspondent Laura Barone Lopez is here with the latest as the administration defends itself in 5 separate cases. So, Laura, bring us up to speed. How did the courts rule in some of these hearings today?
There were nonstop court actions today, Jeff. So to start off, one federal judge extended a restraining order against DOJ. That's that Department of Government Efficiency led by Elon Musk, barring them from accessing Treasury payment systems. So that restraining order is extended. There was another lawsuit where the Consumer Financial Bureau essentially was told that they don't have to delete. It was trying to prevent their full-on dismantling, which is being done by Elon Musk and other Trump administration officials. And the judge said that no CFPB employees could be fired. And another case brought by 8 fired inspectors general, the judge said that they would not issue any emergency action to reinstate those inspectors general, and that case is going to be ongoing. Then in a case challenging Elon Musk and DOJ's entire operation, another federal judge asked for more specifics and said that they would rule at a later date. All of that is happening, Jeff, as DOJ is growing its numbers. I was told by a source familiar with the situation that billionaire Joseph Gebbia, the Airbnb co-founder, is joining the efforts at DOJ with Elon Musk, and he was at the Office of Personnel Management today being onboarded.
And the administration is still moving forward with these firings across different government agencies. How expansive is this?
They're incredibly expansive. Last night into today, we saw an increase in the number of firings that are coming and targeting primarily probationary employees, people working in government for less than 1 to 2 years. We're estimating that more than 200,000 employees could be impacted. So when you look at it by the numbers, that's more than 5,000 at the National Institutes of Health and the Center for Disease Control, more than 1,000 at the Veterans Affairs, more than 1,200 at the Energy Department, and more than 3,000 at the U.S. Forest Service. And when it comes to those being terminated at the CDC, one of our sources told NewsHour's Murray Jacobson that at least 100 members of the Epidemic Intelligence Service are expected to be terminated very shortly. Those are disease detectives. If you watch Contagion, Jeff, Kate Winslet's character was a member of that EIS service. And then when it comes to the Energy Department cuts, some of those cuts are within the Nuclear Security Administration. So a number of people consider this very risky and wide across the board.
Laura Barone Lopez, thanks so much for that update.
Thank you.